Model, 2016 Peugeot Boxer 335L 2.2 HDi H2 Professional van 130 PS low loader. Body, white, Luton, box low loader. Mileage, 171909. Engine, 2198 cc 4 HHB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The engine is 100% perfect. The gearbox needs replacing. It is stuck in gear. You need to press the clutch to run the engine. This is a straightforward gearbox replacement job. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, definitely worth repairing, one of the cleanest low loaders we've seen this year. Grin. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, cruise control, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0